In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn text into a heading in Notion. If you're new to Notion or just polishing your workflow, this is a simple skill that makes your pages cleaner, more scannable, and easier to navigate. Headings create hierarchy on the page. Heading 1 is your largest, best for titles or major sections. Heading 2 is medium for subsections, and heading 3 is smaller, great for details under those subsections. Using the right level keeps your notes organized and helps features like tables of contents work beautifully. Let's start with the quickest method when you already have text on the page. First, highlight the text you want to turn into a heading. As soon as you highlight it, a small pop-up toolbar appears. Look for the A icon, or if the entire block is selected, you'll see an option labeled Turn Into. Click that. From the menu that opens, choose Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3. The moment you select one, Notion converts that block into the heading style you picked. If you decide it's too big or too small, repeat the same process and switch to a different level. This method is great when you're editing in place and want to promote existing content into a clear section header without retyping anything. Now, here's another reliable way that gives you a little more control over the whole block. Move your mouse to the far left edge of the block you want to change until you see the drag handle appear. It looks like two vertical dots. Click that handle to open the block menu. In the menu, choose Turn Into, then select Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3. This approach is especially handy when your cursor isn't already inside the text, or when you're reorganizing multiple blocks and want to make quick changes as you go. A couple of quick notes to keep you confident as you work. Notion headings are block level, which means the change applies to the whole block you're editing. You're never losing content, only changing how it's styled and structured, and you can switch between heading levels at any time if your outline evolves. Keep an eye on consistency. Reserve. Heading 1 for your main topic. Use Heading 2 for primary sections, and Heading 3 for finer details beneath them. Consistent structure makes long pages feel natural to read. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.